going to drive 783 kilometres. This is sounding more and more like a bad idea as we go, but it'd be fine, it'd be fine. Anyway, because our original plan was like way north in WA there's a pink lake, and we're like, oh, that'd be hell cool, long weekend, let's go check it out. And so originally we're going to go up there and stay in Port Gregory where it is for 2 nights, but then by the time we finally got around to booking it, I could only book it for 1 night, and then the people there were like, no, you can't do a 1 night booking in the middle of a long weekend, which was stupid because they site only let you book for 1 night. But anyway, not the point. So now we're driving up tonight to my parents' house like we were originally going to do, then tomorrow we're driving all the way up to Port Gregory to go see the lake, and then we're going to drive down to Dongara because apparently there's a really good pub there, and the West Coast are playing their prelim game, so I have to watch it there. Thankfully Sophie agreed, so she'll go explore the beach and stuff there whilst I sit there and yell at the TV for a while, and then we'll drive back to my parents' house that night. And then Sunday, probably go look around Lansel a little bit because I know my mum wants to go to this buskers festival thing. And then we drive home Sunday, so it's a stupid amount of driving for 3 days, but this pink lake better be worth it.
The day is warm, her northern clouds paint a storm. She's late July,
and it was like
I'm falling in love with her summer sky. Distant
and then it was like Australia. Oh, I went like a 20-minute drive and still haven't left my driveway.
Never sounded so good before July. May I ask you to stay a while more? Her legs are long like a 60s Motown song. Her eyes, they shine like a fancy glass of wine. Her lovely lullabies could comfort a lonely, troubled soul. July, may I grow with you long after I'm old. Oh, July, she slowly fades away from me.
6:30 now. We were originally going to leave at 5 just to get there really early, but then I was talking to Mum and she's gone up to the lake before, and apparently there isn't like much to do up there. You get to see the lake, look around. Hopefully it's warm enough for us to swim, so we left a bit later. Still died. 2 coffees later. But yeah, hopefully it's warm enough to swim. And this lake better be a bloody like bright pink, or I'm going to be so annoyed because it's like a 4-hour drive from here. And we only have about an hour, so that I can watch the game because West Coast is playing today. I'm so excited.
She says goodbye as she's walking out the door. Oh.
First pit stop done, Green Bay, which was just over an hour. Wait, when did we leave? Like 6:30? About 6:40, yeah. 6:40. Oh yeah, a little bit over we'll just say an hour. That's done. I think we've got 2 hours to Geraldton and probably like 3 hours to where's it? Wait, if we left at 6:30 and it takes 4 hours to get there 10:30. There's almost 8. Well, so really only like 2.5 hours left.
Yeah, we're not bad. That's
direction. You're not going to do anything about it. It was stupidly foggy this morning, as you probably see. And before anyone freaks out, it didn't touch my camera whilst I was driving, so if you did it all for me, thankfully, because you know we don't want to die. But the biggest like problem along here is kangaroos, so I was like, oh god. Well, originally I was like, no, it'd be fine, and then it was so foggy, like you could barely see like the car in front of you. I was like, oh god, if there's a kangaroo, I'm not going to see it till the last second. But thankfully we found someone towing a boat, and I was like, I'm just going to sit behind you, so you can be like the barrier for me if anything happens.
And while she's gone, life for
got like a pink hue to it, I think. Yeah, kind of. The lookout point's like further up, so maybe it looks better there. At the moment I'm really disappointed. Internet lies. It looks more pink when you get closer to it at the actual lookout point, because over that way it's really, really blue, like a slight ginger pink, but the further that way you go, it's pinker.
But it's getting colder. I'm trying my hardest to stay sober, 'cause February feels like she stops life on a dime. July, may I ask you to please not take your time? Oh, July, she's slowly coming back to me. I'm feeling high as I'm waiting by the door for July.
Okay, crisis averted. It was actually pink. Like, because when you're driving there, it just looks blue, and the closer you get, it wasn't getting any pinker, and I was just like, oh, that's great. Just wasted like, well, actually more than 4 hours coming here. Now I have to miss the first quarter of the game to go look at blue water, which could look good anyway. But when we got to Lookout Point, it like got pinker, and then it's just, was it when it was sunny or cloudy then?
Sunny.
Sunny, yeah. Sunnier, it looked even more pink, so that was okay. It's actually pink, but the water, I thought you can smell from ages away, and it leaves this weird like salty residue all over you. It's cool to see for like 20 minutes, half an hour, but that wouldn't detour 4 hours on your way to go just do that one thing. It's pretty much on the way to Calvary's. If you're going up north and somewhere there, I'll definitely go to it again. But yeah, it was nice, it was weird. The water's weird though, because usually when your hair gets wet it takes hours to dry, and then like 10-15 minutes it was dry, even all my clothes and everything. So I don't know, it's really weird water. I don't understand it. So how's this for something ridiculous? We need to go into the salt water to wash off the salt that we got from salt water. Oh god, how ridiculous. But still, we've done like, I didn't grab my towel. Like an hour and a half drive, and we're still just covered in salt. I grabbed a towel, tried to rub it off me, thought maybe it'd fall off once I dried completely. No, still stuck. It's all over the car. So if you ever do go to Hutt Lagoon, aka Pink Lake, prepare to either A, don't go in the water, or B, be salty for the rest of the day.